This is the Ulanzi AM18 wireless microphone, a dual wireless microphone. Again, this is the sound quality of the Ulanzi AM18 wireless microphone. So, and again, you have the charging case. This is the charging case, and you have two transmitter, and of course one receiver. I have the other transmitter here, and you have the receiver, which is already in my camera. Sorry. And again, this is the sound quality of the wireless microphone from the Ulanzi. So yeah, this is a quick test, and still I don't have idea for the sound quality. So again, I will not edit the audio. So what you hear is what you get. Again, I will not do any adjustment from the audio. This is the sound quality of the Ulanzi wireless microphone, or the AM18. Yeah, AM18. So yeah, the size is similar with the Rode, Holy Land, and it's the design is like a small rig. Yeah, the design is like a small rig, and also the color, it's similar with the small rig. But again, the charging base or charging case, it's similar with the Holy Land Dark Max, and also in the DJI. Yeah, it's like it's small, and again, it's charged by USB-C. And yeah, and again, this is a quick test review. A quick test, not review, just a quick test of this new Ulanzi AM18 wireless duo microphone. So again, guys, if you want to check our product from Ulanzi, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So all the Ulanzi product is already in our website. So yan, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Again, thank you and mabuhay.